right. I want to make a video that shows you guys how to solve equations with variables on both sides of the equation. Usually you see the pictures and you gotta turn the pictures into an equation, all that good stuff. There are also going to be some equations that are just straight equations, and you have to find out what's the value of x or what's the value of y. So y'all take a good look at that equation right there. That's the one we're gonna solve, number one. Okay, y'all take a good look at that. All right, and so you see I already cleared my RAM. I'm good for that. Since we're working with lines, that means you want to go to y equals. The first equation, it said 3/5. Now you have two ways to put in 3/5. I'm gonna put it in with the fraction. That means press alpha and then y equals. And you see you have the option for numerator and denominator. And that's gonna give you 3/5. Just like that. Pretty simple. Press X. Well, we have parentheses first. My apologies. Press X and X plus 2. All right, that's my first equation. The second one was just simple X minus 4. Press enter. Now your steps are second, trace. Okay, we want to go to the intersection. That's number 5. Wait till it draws them. Now, we don't see it, but it's heading that way. So let's see if it'll give us the intersection without having to zoom out. Gonna press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Nope, didn't get it. All right, you see it says error, sign change. That's all right. We know what that means. Press 1, and then we're going to zoom out. So press 3. Now we're going to press enter until we see the intersection. Oh, look at that. One time. I see it now. So zoom, second trace. Press 5 for the intersection. Hit enter 1, 2, 3 times. There's your intersection. X equals 13 and y equals 9. For that question right there, they just asked for what x is. And there you go. All right, pretty simple. Hope that helped.